Osun State Governor Senator Adeleke has officially launched the enrollment of inmates into the state health insurance scheme. The ceremony was held on Thursday, August 28, 2025 at the Ilesha Medium Correctional Center. Speaking at the event, Governor Adeleke said the initiative reflects his administration's concern for the health and well-being of all residents of the state, including inmates in the correctional facilities. He noted that inmates are bona fide citizens whose healthcare must remain a priority, adding that his government does not discriminate based on politics, tribe, religion, or gender in extending the dividends of democracy. The governor explained that the extension of healthcare coverage to inmates demonstrates his administration's commitment to every segment of society. Governor Adeleke explained that despite the state's lean financial situation in the last 7 months, his administration has continued to deliver on promises through transparency and priority spending in the management of state funds. He noted that the government had raised its internally generated revenue while judiciously managing its special project account.
It gives me a great pleasure to unveil another laudable initiative of our administration, which is the free enrollment of inmates of correctional centers in Osun State into the Osun State Insurance Scheme. This program is in response to the passionate appeal of the controller of the correction in Osun State, Mr. Lale Korotimi Olawale, MINM, during his courtesy visit to the government house. We regard inmates in our correctional facilities as qualified citizens of this state and of our country. Their health care and general well-being must remain a matter of priority. As you must all have observed, our administration does not discriminate on any basis, whether political affiliation, tribe, religion, or gender, in extending the dividend of democracy to all citizens and residents of Osun State. Today, we extend our healthcare coverage to inmates of correctional centers as a demonstration of our concern for the health and well-being of every segment of our people. Many have asked, how are we achieving all this despite the state lean financial situation, especially in the last 7 months? The answer is simple. Aside from being strong believer in God, we embrace transparency and priority spending in the management of the state funds. We have raised our internally generated revenue, and we are usually manage our special project account.
The governor also appreciated the Nigeria Bar Association, traditional ruler, labor unions, clerics, and other groups for sustained appeal to the federal government for the release of Osun withheld local government allocations. He said the overwhelming public support strengthened his administration faith in the legality and morality of its position on the local government leadership.
Permit me to appreciate the Nigerian Bar Association, our royal fathers, the various labor unions, the clerics, and various strata of the society for their sustained appeal to the federal government and the presidency for the release of Osun withheld allocation. The huge public support in favor of the Osun State government strengthened our faith in legality and morality of our position on the local government leadership question. As we maintain financial discipline to keep the state running, we are very hopeful that the local government crisis will soon be resolved within the context of the rule of law and respect for the federal constitution.
In his remark, the controller of corrections, Osun Command, Lale Korotimi commended the governor for approving the enrollment of 1,100 inmates into the scheme. He also appreciated Adeleke for previous intervention, including amnesty granted to 54 inmates in December 2024, the renovation of the operational vehicles, and the solidarity visits after the escape of 7 inmates in May 2025. Oluwadele described Adeleke's visit as a reaffirmation of government support for the Nigerian Correctional Service and the well-being of inmates.
It is an honor to welcome you to the Medium Security Custodial Center in Ilesha on this momentous occasion of enrolling inmates into the Osun Health Insurance Scheme, OIS, and providing free surgical operations for inmates. Your presence here today is a testament to your commitment to the welfare and rehabilitation of our inmates. Your Excellency, upon my assumption of duty as the State Controller, In September 2024, I visited critical stakeholders in the state, including the Executive Secretary, Osun Insurance Agency, Dr. Razak Akindele, and I emphasized majorly on the enrollment of our inmates and a promise to discuss with you, sir. As a listening governor, he conveyed your message back to us that you had expressly and graciously approved the enrollment of our inmates into OIS, which we are witnessing today. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to you, Mr. Governor, for your unwavering support to the Nigerian Correctional Service, Osun State Command. Your gesture of granting amnesty to 53 inmates in December 2024 was a beacon of hope and a demonstration of your compassion. We also thank you for renovating our operational vehicles and giving us, restoring our lights at the state headquarters office. Thank you for also sending your delegation for a solidarity visit following the escape of 7 inmates on May 20, 2025. We are most grateful, sir. On behalf of the Controller General of Corrections, Nigerian Correctional Service, Sylvester Ndidi Nwakuche, MFR MNI, we welcome you and members of your cabinet to Medium Security Custodial Center Elisha. Your visit today reaffirms your administration commitment to the well-being of all citizens, including those in our care.
Also speaking, the Executive Secretary of the Osun Health Insurance Agency, Dr. Razak Akindele, praised the governor for prioritizing healthcare in the state. He said the success of the Health Insurance Agency is largely due to the governor's continued support.
There are some you may not know that he has given us a very tremendous support at the Osun Health Insurance Agency, and that is why all that we have been doing have been successful. I want to, on behalf of the governing board and the management of the Osun Health Insurance Agency, heartfully thank you, Your Excellency, sir, for all the support you have given us. I want to reassure you that we will not disappoint you. So many things have been done. The present secretariat where we use was completed and commissioned by His Excellency. He also inaugurated the governing board of the agency for smooth running. We have completely digitalized all our operations in the Osun Health Insurance Agency, courtesy of Mr. Governor. There have been regular provision of drugs and other equipment to hospitals. In fact, not too long ago, he provided government hospitals under OIS with numerous multi-million equipment for the benefit of their people. He has approved the training and retraining of our members, of our staff for the better performance of their duties. There have been support of catastrophic events of some indigenes of this state. For instance, 6 people have been supported to have complete renal transplant. 2 people have been supported to have complete hip transplant, and recently they have supported another person for complete hip replacement. PDP. It's a common knowledge of the enrollment of pensioners, of the enrollment of people living with disabilities, and provision of life support gadgets to them. It is also a common knowledge that quite a number of people living with HIV are also enrolled free into the Osun Health Insurance Scheme. It's not something that is hidden to. That recently, the governor ordered us to screen all the public primary and secondary school students. 450,000 of them were screened, and 43,000 of them that had eye defects were provided with corrective glasses. Now we are, His Excellency is extending that gesture to the people in the correctional centers. They are part of the society, and after leaving this place, we pray that they live in good health. They will still be integrated back into the society, and they have to be part of the good society.
Bami Abidoye reporting for Amlonet.